Jen was just talking about those bougie cows. It's like bougiecow.com. They're selling for like $13,000.
Hey, little cow.
Holy cow. Floral City. This is my first trip out here. And this place is absolutely amazing. This customer actually had a barn, rebuilt the barn that was built in the 60s, right?
Yeah.
Took us on a full tour, which was absolutely amazing. And I'm gonna be really honest with you, Nick. People ask me all the time, like, what's your end result? What's your dream? It's this, like, it's so simple. I don't want the picket fence and the big, like, you did it. And once you do it, you just want less, right?
Right.
You just want to have less. So go ahead and tell everyone what we're doing out here, man. I love it.
This is gonna be a very unique house. I actually really like the layout that they have here. We're on 840 square foot conditioned.
Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna be a frame house, but it's actually based off of a Airbnb that they stayed at up north that they love.
That's awesome.
And they're coming down.
What a great piece of property.
All right.
How old's that house?
Regan, you gotta, do you mind taking them through that?
Yeah.
Dude, you gotta check this place
We're
out.
actually cleaning up today.
The barn itself has to be 50s, right?
I was gonna say 20 something. I mean, it's been redone, right?
Yeah, it was
Restore, I mean, because the wood's fairly new.
We did it about less than 2 years ago.
Oh, okay, I'm about to say, it looks clean.
Yeah.
What was the original year?
65 years old.
65.
Yeah, burned bad wood,
Yeah,
kept the good wood,
that's awesome.
and then made a replica of how it used to look.
That's awesome.
And then I used cypress, let it age. So with that same trick, when you look at it, it's like, okay, this is no barn.
Belongs in a movie. Right here, this is
You
movie.
haven't even seen the cool part yet.
I just can't wait to see the cool part. Look at this tree. I love it. I love this.
Then I decided, the barns usually you always got that factor that something was added after the fact. They said, let's use the tin over here. And that way from outside looks like something was added. And then that same thing was used on the other part.
This is right up my alley.
Right?
Yeah, right up my alley.
I knew you'd like this.
This is awesome. Oh, and there's a gym. What?
This was cut in Bush now. As we
And
were
Bushnell?
progressing, they kept, hey, we got 3 trees, go ahead, cut them. 12 by
That's
10,
great.
12 by 12. This,
You have to be in a jacuzzi. That's awesome.
this is a slab of cypress.
Love this.
From the same rafters, I built this table. So you can see the corners
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
branches.
Super cool. What?
That's
How
it.
much do you want for everything?
I didn't explain this to you, Nick, the other day. So went ahead and had a hard time trying. I wanted to restore the original.
Yeah, of course.
The,
Old school. Yeah, I love that.
still looks old school.
Yeah. And there's more. So what do you do? What's upstairs?
Upstairs, my man cave.
Yeah? I don't like ladders as I get older. They're such a unique couple that they're, like, you saw what they did to their barn. Obviously, Josh just took us through that. I'm sure you guys saw those videos. And now they're going to probably be bringing that same style to here as well, but they'll still have that building as well. We're at 5 acres out here.
This is huge for 5 acres.
This is all you need, though. Like, this is all you need. And then he's got his animals. He's got his goats and his donkeys and his bulls, and it's just awesome, man. And all the chickens, and it's just a different life. It's so peaceful. Like Floral City is different. But how far are we from Orlando to Tampa? Like, where are we situated in the state?
So, I mean, we're just north of where 75 runs up to the actual turnpike.
Okay.
So if you know where that kind of intersection is, we're a little bit northwest of that.
Gotcha.
This is kind of in between Floral City and Issachatta.
Gotcha.
But yeah, it's an awesome property.
There's so much unknown area that people, like you said, you were joking with me a little bit. You're like, hey man, there's a lot of things different from Pasco and Newport Richey, and it's so true. Like, there's a whole nother world out there that people just don't know about, with just different people, just good people.
But even that, I mean, you can go ahead and look at Pasco County and say rewind 40 years,
Good
and it
point.
was still built up more than this is.
This is true.
This is
like
we're that far out.
Yeah.
It's a really cool area, but you're close enough to those kind of, creature comforts that we have, right? Like, you're not that far away from actual shopping centers and from downtown.
It's true. What's our build time are we thinking on this? So plumbing, In theory, it's supposed to start today.
Plumbing's supposed to be starting today. We'll get all of our underground done. Slab will go up. Like I said, this one is a frame house, so we
pretty
should be able to
quickly.
go ahead and get the actual framing done pretty quickly. It's going to look like a house a lot faster than a lot of our other stuff that we have out there.
Yeah, we got a lot going on. This is just another one. Stay tuned for the next one.